Okay, Munch, this is on the speaker. Listen to the spin. See, that's my spin sound. I turned on the volume. That's the generic sound coming from my bass speaker. So, I'll go turn off my sounds again. Alright? Let's see. Options. This is for the machine sounds. Volume. Okay, gain. I'm gonna turn off my sounds. Okay, no sound. Save it. Close the door. Okay, let me better credit. Let's see. Yeah, I still have spin sounds. See, that generic spin sounds is gone now from the generic sounds are gone from the machine because I turned it off, but the LCD sounds are still on. All I have is those 4 wires going into the back. There's nothing going on that last Molex there, the one on the 2-pin Molex that you have. I don't have nothing on it.